2, 1, go. 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oy!
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during a casual tournament at Rumble Royale. Today, the Dragon King faces off once again against a familiar opponent. This Blader is no easy rival. He is a well-decorated competitor in both official and casual tournaments. The Dragon King has never defeated him in previous challenges. Now, he's back to take on the Dragon King once more. He's Blader Josh. Will Blader Josh defeat the Dragon King once again, or will the Dragon King finally get his revenge? Stick around to find out. These are the combos that I used for this challenge. Grand Buster with a 560 ratchet and the point bit. Cobalt Dragoon with the 160 ratchet and the rush bit. Giant Sword with the 180 ratchet and the low flat bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
Original sa Kamalay Street. 14 to 27.
Leaders ready.
28 to 30.
3, 2, 1, go.
Grandmaster. Ending yun.
Second day. Okay. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go. One goes. 2, 1. IDK. Third day tayo. So nakita ko na yung video mo. Okay, Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay ba yan? Okay ba yan? Kaya mo. Okay, 2, 2. Siyempre, wizard run din. Dito tayo ah. Uy, iniba. Ito yung bagong wizard. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 3, 2, Josh. 3 ba? Run mo. Saan ka ba ng gata? Okay, cigarettes. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Ako yung nagdadash eh. Bongga! Second set. Tapusin na natin. Wow!
Guys, gagawa na ako ng bracket. Nagkakol si Donato. Nagpalilin na ng iba.
Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. 1.
Dragon Bay, go. Okay. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Kanina pa yan ah.
Third day tayo.
Kailangan na ng bago.
Okay, leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Si Almost Master X. Kailangan mo si Joretis. Tulo pa naman. Kaya ba? Siguro naman tayo?
Uy, nag-steal.
Patulo sa akin. Tulo ah? Nagawa mo.
Lamang, DK.
Okay guys. Stadium number 1. Dan versus DJ Kim. Stadium number 2. Antihero versus Carly. 3. Joshko versus Cyrus. Master Cyrus.
Leaders ready. 3,
4.
2,
Bench
1, go.
versus Josu.
Nagalaw. Wala pa result eh.
Thank you.
3 to ah. Ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Hoy! 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 Winner.
And that's game. The final standing is Dragon King 0, Blader Josh 2. The Dragon King came close with those intense matches, but Josh takes the win in the end. He's your winner and the new Dragon King Challenge champion. Grats. So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Josh, and I'll see you guys on the next video.